Warm and inviting. Brushed nickel finish provides a lightly brushed warm gray metallic look. Coordinating collection. Coordinates with other Moen bathroom accessories. Flexible placement. For use in the bath as well as the kitchen for hanging towels and more. Peace of mind. Designed for hassle-free installation. With its timeless, low-key design, the Moen Preston 18-inch bathroom towel bar adds a touch of understated style to your bathroom. The 18-inch bar offers ample space for hanging towels, washcloths, and other bathroom items. A stamped steel mounting bracket enhances durability, while the included mounting hardware and template make installation easy. The Moen Preston Towel Bar is available in a highly reflective chrome finish and a warm brushed nickel finish. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy and nice looking. We bought this bar for an alternative use. We purchased it as a bar to put hangers on in the laundry room. I wasn't sure it would work since the bar would have to be hung from underneath a cabinet. I am pleased to announce with very little effort, I was able to hang the bar in order to put hangers on the bar. I knew I would have to add a small board under the bottom of the cabinet so the screws wouldn't poke through, so I pre-drilled, lined up and started screwing the hardware into place and made sure the covers and bars would be in the appropriate place when screwed in completely to the bottom of the cabinet. Next, I took the board that was pre-set up and screwed the board and hardware into the cabinet bottom, attached the left cover and tightened securely. I attached the bar and right side cover and tightened the right towel bar cover and checked the security. Super pleased at the stability and strength. It is perfect for our hangers.